I want to welcome y'all to Dr. Yahki's farm. It's a lot of beautiful life growing out here. I was keeping it very private for a long time, but I decided to extend these precious minerals, these precious foods and gifts that the Creator Yahweh gave me to the people. This is 10 acres of land. We have things like apple trees, peach trees, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, apricots, watermelon, squash. I mean, anything you name, we got growing on here. We got a 6-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 4-bathroom home, kitchen upstairs, downstairs, and there's just a lot of living space here, and it's a lot of land out here. I'm sitting under a very, very big green walnut hog tree right now. This place is in the country. It's away from everything. It's very quiet. We got our own water that comes from 700 feet deep in the ground. It's very self-sustaining and self-efficient. So I'm welcoming y'all here. You'll be able to come here. You'll be able to heal. You got full access to my facility, which is only 10 minutes away. Dr. Yahki's Health and Wellness Detoxification Facility. You come here and get your healing. We got chefs on deck that'll be cooking for y'all every rising when you awake. We'll have a beautiful shuttle bus come pick y'all up and take y'all to my actual clinic where y'all can receive y'all therapies and do y'all herbal treatment. So this is me just extending the hand and just letting y'all know that my home is your home. You can come help me grow. I'll come show you how to save your seeds and everything. So I look forward to seeing y'all. I'm gonna put a link below. Let's get this started. Peace, love, light, and healing. Peace to the gods. Peace to the earth. Shalom, shalom. Peace. Dr. Yahki here, Rafa Elohim, man. We on the farm. I ain't gave y'all an update in a long time. I'm happy to be out here. We got a bunch of live food growing on the farm, and I'm gonna show y'all what we did to the farmhouse. We converted it into a healing detoxification home. So now you will be able to come here, stay at the detoxification home, and then we'll be able to take you to Dr. Yahki Detoxification Health and Wellness Facility where you can do all of your therapies. I'm gonna explain everything. Come check it out. So I want to show y'all my peach trees, man. We got thousands of peaches right now growing on the tree. So come check it out. They in the baby stage, but look, they growing. And they not reaching their full potential because there's so many on different leaves. And you got to cut them back and allow them to grow for all of the plant energy can go to the fruit. But there's so many fruits on them that they not getting the full potential energy to grow full. But the ones that I did cut back, you can see the size of them and see how big they are. Look at all these peaches growing. Thousands of peaches. Look how beautiful they are. I could have did a better job at, you know, distributing the potential energy to grow them. Like for instance, this one little limb got over 8 peaches on it. It is way too heavy. So they're going to be a little smaller this year because it's supposed to be about a limb this size. It should only be about 2 to 3 peaches. There's so many peaches, we had to put up an actual support beam to hold the tree. And y'all know the deers, the squirrels, the coyotes, everybody been tearing my peaches up. Even though we got these high deer fences, they are finding a way to get in here and eat the peaches. So next week, we're gonna start planting our herbs inside of the containers. We got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. We got 18 containers inside of this pod. We're gonna start putting our herbs in. I got my soil, my topsoil. I got everything we need to compost. So in about probably 4 to 5 months, you're gonna start seeing a lot of herbs grow up in here. We're gonna start on this next week. Of course, behind me, I got the horse stable. I'm gonna take y'all through there, but I want to take y'all to my favorite part where we're growing multiple variety of different foods at. So we're gonna go there next. So as y'all can see, we got cucumbers coming up here. We got dark dinosaur kale coming. We got some beautiful squashes. If y'all can come look at the squashes. We got strawberries over here. There's so many things growing up in here, y'all. Y'all can see the beautiful squashes growing. Some more beautiful ones. They are literally getting to everything, man. Look, we got an heirloom cucumber growing right here. This is my big old watermelon bed. I got heirloom watermelons. We got sweet baby watermelons, black diamond watermelon. There's a bunch of different varieties. Jay, come show them what it look like, man. So we got a bunch of different varieties of watermelon. Since they heirloom, they not gonna get too big. But as you can see, we got a lot of them coming up. They're gonna be super sweet. So look at this little bitty one hanging off the thing. So these are beds of what we grow more tomatoes than we grow anything, because I eat tomatoes with everything. But these are heirloom green tomatoes, as you can see, which ain't ready just yet. They still kind of hard. But I know we got some that we can harvest today. See how they taste. These over here are very, very small ones that's just now coming in. As you can see, you see them, Jay? The real little bitty ones, they just now coming in. Yep. But you can see them bigger on the other bush. You can see these are getting bigger. But these ones are ready. Here goes something that's ready right here. So these varieties are ready. Water these down and eat them real fast. Got beautiful green peppers. These are ready. These some good jalapeno peppers. Good for cardiovascular system, dilating the vascular. Then of course we got giant green peppers right here. So we got more variety of squashes right here. I'm gonna have to put some clay and stuff on these because the beetles are having a good time with them. You're gonna see the beetles run out. You wanna try some?
You know I was up for eating shit off the bush.
Oh, he do. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Taste how sweet they is. Totally different than the other one.
And it tastes good.
Hey, that motherfucker fire.
Yeah. That's fire.
One more sweet than the mother. Look at all these seeds in it. How you cut it off? Try that out.
That's good. Need a little hummus dip. We in there.
Still this joint hitting the phone. That's fine.
All right, so these are our Asian pear apple variety. I kind of created my own hybrid gene selection like a lot of people do. So basically we just grafted and split a bunch of different pears and apples together, and we came up with these. They growing, they look pretty good. They not ready yet, but we got about 15 on this tree. And mind you, this tree is only what not be about 2.5 years old, and it's already producing fruit. So if you can show them a close-up of this, Jay. This right here is Asian pear, but we're not gonna eat the fruit. We're gonna keep pulling and keep trimming until we see that the fruit is very, very big and it's getting a lot of that energy potential, and then we'll be able to eat it.
Cold, big bro.
Cold?
Yeah.
Okay. Here go another beautiful young pear tree. As you can see, we got young pears growing from it. Notice for real, everything you see inside of this pod is all fruits. We got a cherry tree right here. About another year or so, we'll see a bunch of cherries growing from there. But look at the pears. Beautiful, amazing, green. Not ready yet, but the whole thing is to show y'all that we are preparing the land for y'all and things are growing. You'll be able to come here. You'll be able to not only heal, you'll be able to not only detoxify, but you'll be able to pick fruit from the land, pick herbs from the land, pick vegetables from the land, and you have full access to our clinic. So this is my greenhouse. I know y'all wondering, like, Dr. Yahki, why is it still empty? Well, the reason why is because this fall when we open, I want y'all to be a part of helping me put plants, put fruits, put vegetables, and put roots and things like that in here. So I'm gonna leave this whole thing empty until my first 15 people get here, and then we're gonna show y'all how to grow food and do it inside of a greenhouse. It's hot as hell in here right now.
Yeah, buddy.
Everything is running on automatic. So in about 10 minutes, the fans will come on, the shutters will open, and it'll suck all of this hot, stagnated heat out. That's what keep you cool. You gotta hit your face. I'm glad I ain't touched that, boy. Well, how refuse this be? We're gonna have to really soak that. As you can see, we got strawberries and blueberries and blackberries growing everywhere on the land. This is actually a variety of blackberries. A lot of them are not going to get the anthocyanin purple hue color though. A lot of them going to remain red, but it tastes just like blackberries. You can see a few blackberries on here, but this produces thousands of berries for us every year. This is my green Granny Smith apple tree. We got 3 of them. You can see it's full of apples right now. Bunch of apples growing on this tree. I have strawberry bushes up there. I got a lot of blackberry and blueberry bushes up there as well. Apricot trees. Again, the land is abundant. The land is growing. A lot of things grow on their own. I don't have to come out here and keep doing things. We're not into like the agriculture business. We're into more of the permaculture business, where you plant once and then you let creation and nature do its thing. So yeah, Yahki healing forms, man.